Hi, welcome back to my Planet B. In this video, we are weatherproofing our workshop. We started out by installing the rain gutter on the lower eave of the building. We used the string line to set the slope of the rain gutter so that the water can run off. I installed brackets with 500 mm intervals, and then the gutter itself just clips in. In the future, we will use an IBC to harvest rainwater, but for now I'm just going to divert it outside the fence to the adjacent field. We then remove the temporary house wrap to finish the outside walls, mainly around the door frame and in the back wall. Here are some pictures of that done. We then installed the vapor barrier. On top of that, we installed the previous house wrap to act as a second skin, or an extra layer of protection to hold us through the winter. We hope to finish the cladding on the outside of the workshop next year during spring and summer after we installed our windows. After this, we only have to install the pin and bottle hinges on the door and hang it on the frame. As most of our jobs were racing against the weather, there is no footage of the door being put in place, but it's just a matter of lining the pin and the bottle, and then the door drops into place. Here's the big reveal. We finally got rid of the tarp for door. Please keep in mind that this is not a how-to video, this is how we've done it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Hit the like button if this was of any use to you, and consider subscribing to follow our journey. Until next time, thanks for watching.